Hi, my name is Carlos Daniel Rocha Hernandez. I have 20 years old. I study the career of international business in the Universidad Tec Milenio. I really like my career. It's very interesting. The things that I love to do are go out to my friends, go out to my girlfriend, have a date with my girlfriend. I like the dogs. I really like the pizza. And my favorite food is las enchiladas and las tostadas. I really like the superheroes movie. I like do exercise. I like go to the gym. I like play football, soccer. I really like watching football, soccer. My favorite teams in the world are Real Madrid and Toluca FC. My favorite movies are The Wall of Wall Street. I like Avengers. I like Sherlock. Sherlock is my favorite TV show. I really like Sherlock. And my favorite music depends about my mood. Sometimes I like listen reggaeton. Sometimes I like the rock, pop. Depends about my mood. And this is some things that I like and about me. I hope that you enjoyed.